Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, I'm going to explain you that how you can run the Claude code in VS Code. So follow the steps that I'm going to tell you and you will see the result that your Claude code is successfully working in your VS Code. So let's start. So simply come on your Visual Studio Code and go to the extensions, or you can click the Control plus Shift plus X also. Here write Claude and you will find the first extension, that is Claude Code for VS Code. Simply just click on the install and install it. Now after installing, let's come back here, and now here in the right side you will find on the top the Claude Code icon. Simply just click on it. After clicking, you will get this kind of interface, but important point is that when you will do the first time, it will ask you for the Claude.ai subscription, right? So simply just click on the Claude.ai subscription, and after that you need to authorize it. Here you need to give your account details, right? Means Google account, and it will give you authentication code. Just paste it there, right? After that your chat will get open. Now if you want to work with it, simply open anything that you want. Let's understand what this line of code is saying. Simply I'll select it, right? I'll select this line and we'll go in the chat and I will ask it that what does this function do, and you can see it is creating the result for me, right? And here you will see that it is reading it and also creating the information about it. Now let's create one more function. Let's create a function to add two number, right? Let's close it first. Now when I will ask it to create a function that add two number, so you will find that it will start the process. And yes, in the end you can see, right, our function to add two number is now successfully created. It is asking that whether you want to keep it or not. So let's just close it. So I hope you get the understanding that how we work with it, right? This is how you install or work with Claude Code in your Visual Studio Code. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.